Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring you have at least standard access and a stable session. This avoids permission prompts later. First, press Win+I to open settings, then navigate to System About for the device name, processor, RAM, and OS build. Once done, use Win+X to open the quick menu for fast access to Device Manager and Task Manager. Make sure to note the OS build and edition because those details determine which follow-up tools you'll use next. Now you'll dig deeper using specialized tools to capture detailed specs. Open Run, type msinfo32, and export a full system information report to a file for later review. This shows hardware resources, components, and software environment. Next, check Device Manager for driver status and Task Manager for startup impact and resource use. Finally, launch PowerShell as administrator and run Get Computer Info, or WMI. To finish, save all collected outputs. Export msinfo32, export PowerShell results to CSV, and run dxdiag/t to capture graphics and sound details. Once saved, compare BIOS/UEFI versions, driver dates, and Windows build numbers to identify mismatches. If some info is missing or access is denied, run the same tools as administrator and make sure Windows Update isn't pending a restart. That often blocks accurate reporting. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot, then rerun tools as admin and update drivers if values still look incorrect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.